Once we were sitting with one venture capital fund and he said, explain me what kind of company you are. Are you a meat processor, producer? Are you a delivery company? Are you a last mile company? Are you a middle mile company? Or are you a meat brand? So I said, we are all of it.
If you look at Licious, it's a very unique company. At one end, we are a company of farmers. So there's an entire agri-tech supply chain where we do integration, chicken farming, fish and seafood farming, landing centers, and so on and so forth. Then we have a whole manufacturing layer where we do processing ourselves. Then we have built this technology and marketing company where, we are direct to consumer. And then at the last mile, there's a proper logistics company.
So while the other quick commerces will always optimize on speed, we optimize on two pivots, which is speed and freshness. So that's very critical for Licious.
If certain cities are behaving very differently, if certain categories within certain cities behave very differently,
and one size fits all solution doesn't work, if that means management of 300 SKUs, so be it.
Because we have a very agile supply chain, our sourcing, processing teams can actually react, very fast to many of these consumption change behaviors.
Also, we try and look at a lot of data to understand what could be the pain points for the consumers, and then we try and improve the overall experience for the end consumer.
The complexity is of moving biology across the network to the customer table, right? So that's where the innovation happens with respect to how we do the dynamic routing, the ETA computations, or how we do a demand forecasting perspective, keeping the inventories at the right places at the right time so that when the customer demand arises, the inventory is already there at the right place to be shipped.